Pizza Hut app troubleshooting. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data is working. Once done, so all you have to do is restart the app. Open Pizza Hut, and once opened, all you have to do is close it and reopen it again. Once you remove the app from running in the background, all you have to do is look for the App Store on your mobile device and Play Store for Android. Once inside the App Store or Play Store, search for the Pizza Hut app. Then, once you find the Pizza Hut app, install the latest version. You will get to see update option available there, and tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once updated, all you have to do is go back to the home screen again. And once you go back to the home screen, look for the settings app and simply tap on these settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, you'll have to scroll down again and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Inside iPhone storage, you'll get to see the list of apps available. From there, scroll and tap on the Pizza Hut. Once you tap on the Pizza Hut, you will get to see upload app option available there. Tap on the upload app and reinstall the Pizza Hut app on your mobile device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.